HCSP-Presales-Storage V3.0 H19338_V3.0 exam dumps are available, which are valuable for you to pass the test easily. Share some Huawei H19338_V3.0 exam dumps here. 1. How many GPU cards does G2500 support? A.4, B.8, C.16, D.19. 2. Are the following statements correct? A. Atlas 5500 supports 16-channel video decoding, 1-channel video encoding, and supports JPEG encoding and decoding. B. Atlas 300 provides 6 TOPS INT8 computing power on a single card. C. The Atlas 200 has an operating temperature of 0 degrees to plus 30 degrees. D. The training card used at the bottom of Atlas 8 is Atlas 3300. 3. In high-performance computing solutions, Infiniband networks are required in most cases. What are the characteristics of IB networks? A. High latency and low bandwidth. B. High latency and high bandwidth. C. Latency, low bandwidth. D. Low latency and high bandwidth. 4. What is the quasi-linear scaling ratio of GaussDB distributed performance? A.0.5. B. High independence and scalability. C.0.8. D. 0.9. 5. Which of the following options does not belong to the GaussDB database product features? A. High scalability, strong consistency of distribution, TPCC expansion ratio greater than 0.8. B. High availability, fault switching time. C. Supports stream processing features. D. High performance, based on the Kunpeng 920 processor. The performance of a single machine exceeds that of the top database by 30%. And the distributed 16-node TPCC test can reach tens of millions of TPMC. 6. In an MPPDB database, what happens to the system performance when the number of users is doubled, the number of processing nodes is doubled, and the amount of data is doubled? A. Performance improvement. B. Performance degradation. C. Unpredictable. D. The performance remains the same. 7. Which of the following components is incorrect? A. DN, data node. The data node relies on a powerful kernel to efficiently and stably process transactions. BCM cluster manager. Global clock service. Distributed Global Transaction Consistency Guarantee. CCN Coordinator Node. Transparent Application Access supports high concurrency and complex services. DOM. Operation and management. Centralized management of multiple nodes. Worry-free operation and maintenance. 8. Huawei's two-city three-center disaster recovery solution supports the following architectures. A. Parallel architecture, star architecture. B. Parallel architecture, cascade architecture. C. Cascade architecture, star architecture. D. Parallel architecture, cascade architecture, star architecture. 9. How many objects can be supported in a single bucket of OceanStor 100D with stable performance? A. Billion. B. Tens of billions. C. Trillions. D. 100 billion. 10. In high-performance computing solutions, the Infiniband network needs to be used in most cases. What are the characteristics of the IB network? A. Low latency and high bandwidth. B. High latency and low bandwidth. C. Latency, low bandwidth. D. High latency and high bandwidth.